Hi, this is Ina from Crafty for Home. I will show you how to make a quarter keeper from fabric in this video. What is a quarter keeper? You know, when you go to a certain store and need a shopping cart, you will use a quarter coin, or here in Canada we use a loonie or $1 coin to unlock the cart, and when done shopping, we put the cart back and get the coin back. Sometimes I forgot to bring a coin, but most of the time I must reach the bottom of my purse looking for a dollar coin. Well, with this coin keeper, you will always have the quarter or the dollar coin whenever you need it because you can attach it as a keychain. The tutorial is available on the blog, but if you want the PDF version, it is available on the Etsy store, and the link to the Etsy store is in the description below and the comment section. Iron on the fusible interfacing on one of the fabrics for the flap and the pouch. Fold the fabric piece for the keyring tab in half, open it, then fold each side in, then fold again so the raw edge of the fabric is inside the fold, and sew it along the double fold. Fold the fabric piece for the pouch in half with the wrong side facing each other. Sew the loop on the fabric half an inch from the folding line. If you use a snap button, then skip the process for attaching the loop. Put one of the fabric for the flap with the right side facing up. Next, put the fabric for the pouch on one of the shorter edges of the flap with the raw edge matching each other. Fold the fabric piece for the keyring tab in half. Pin it on one of the pouch edge. The left side or right side is fine. Put the other fabric for the flap on top of it with the right side facing down. Pin it or use quilting clips. Mark quarter inch for the seam allowance. Sew straight along the seam allowance line and skip 1 inch for the opening on the flap top side, not the pouch side. Clip each corner so it doesn't look bulky. Turn the pouch right side out. Use a chopstick or a small pointy object like a pencil to push each corner. Press it with the ironing machine if you need to. Top stitch along the long rectangle edge and close the opening at the same time. Sew the hook on the flap side by matching it to the loop. If you use the snap button, then you can attach it now. If you use a single button, make a buttonhole on the flap and hand stitch the button on the pouch. Attach the clasp on the keyring tab, then attach the keyring to the quarter keeper pouch. So there you go. Never reach the bottom of your purse again to find a coin for a shopping cart by using this quarter keeper keychain. And happy sewing!